Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna do a flip cup and I'm gonna use the Pourage Posse paint by Miss Christina Welch. So the colors that I'm gonna use are, this one is the Pourage Posse paint Military Green Shimmer. This one is the Galaxy Blue Shimmer. This is Moody Blue Shimmer. Then I have also the Pourage Posse paint Morning Pansy Shimmer. I have a little amount of Islands Red Shimmer, so it's empty already. And then I have the Carolina Blue Shimmer, and last is the Bubblegum Shimmer. I also have white here. It's a titanium white with a flutrol. So there's no water on the white. And then I add 2 drops of OGX coconut milk anti-breaking serum to all of this paint. But in the red, I only add a little amount, and to the pink because it's low, so just a little drop. And then I stir it slowly. So I have 5 cups here. Then I'm just gonna layer again the paint in cups. So I'm gonna start with white. Some white. So I'm gonna put white in all cup. And then we're gonna start by adding the blue. This is the Galaxy Blue Shimmer. Just gonna layer like that. Then next is Military Green. And let's some add violet. Some add of this pink Bubblegum Shimmer. Gonna add more white. And now we're gonna add the Moody Blue Shimmer. Then this one is the Carolina Shimmer. Then the Military Green. Add the red. Then we add the Bubblegum here. Add some white again. So I'm just layering the color until I put all the paints that I have. some violet. Let's add some blue. This is dark chocolate shimmer I'm gonna add. I don't want to waste the paint, so let's add this one. Let's put the pink. Have more of this military green. Let's add the military green. So don't worry about the spill. We will fix that. We have this. So we have more here. Let's use all the paint. Empty. So we're gonna position it. Testing aside. 1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2, 3. Go. And the last is this one. Now we're gonna start pulling this one backward, then release. Release. Ooh, love those cells. I think we have a lot of paints. Backward, then release. Backward, then release. Backward and release. Like the cup. We're gonna torch it so that those bubbles will pop. Just make sure when you torch it, it's not so close to the paint. Now we're gonna start tilting this. So I love this part, like those color combination. But let's see what will be our final result. So I'm just gonna tilt it slowly. Putting into the center. Moving in this side. Moving in the left side. So this is 12 by 24 canvas. This is level 1 canvas. It's a little bit heavy because there's a lot of paints. Back to the center. Put it back. So the more I stretch, I can see that the more the cells are getting bigger. So I'm trying to be careful because I don't want to lose too much cells. I really want to save this part, that's why I'm having a hard time. Okay, let's bring it back again. Oh, I love it! Put this one here. So this is the close-up look of the flip cup with coconut serum. So the smells so good also. This is the lower part. So there are tiny cells and big cells. And this one look great also, this part. It's more on blue and purple with the pink. And this side, it's like a cloudy effect. Like this part also. I will move it closely. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy my flip cup and have a nice day, everyone.